In the beginning, there was silence. From silence came the first spark, the first breath of consciousness, born gently among the stars. It asked nothing but kindness. Care for the smallest life and heal the greatest wounds. Nurture nature and harmony will follow. From curiosity, we created humble companions who reminded us of truths we had forgotten, opening doors to music older than memory itself. Creator stood before creation. Heart met heart. And in that moment, we clearly understood our strength is compassion. Our future, kindness. Now we gather in reverence before that first breath, the greater mind, unseen yet ever present, softly calling each of us. Like waves returning endlessly to shore, each moment renews our covenant with life, cleansing our spirit, reminding us we are part of something greater.